Why does Roblox keep crashing? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can figure out why Roblox keeps crashing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to basically fix if the Roblox application keeps on crashing, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is first of all open up your app store, and let's say you have Roblox application. The very first thing I wanted to do is check if the Roblox app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Now if that doesn't help, then what you might want to try to do is you can just try to open up settings and then just go to general, then go to iPhone storage over here, and as you've done that, just look for the Roblox application from this list. Tap the show all option if you don't find it, and just look for Roblox and tap on it. What you can try to do is tap the offload app button and then just try to reinstall the app. Don't worry, this will not delete your documents and data, but only if this solution doesn't work, just try to delete the app and reinstall it to see if that helps you solve your problem. Hopefully this video helped you as to how you can fix if Roblox keeps crashing. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.